What if I told you that there's a simple list that can bring order to all the chaos in your business finances? So a list that tells you exactly what you own, what you owe, and what you've earned, and what's slowly draining your cash. It's not a secret, it's called chart of accounts. And today, I'll walk you through what it is, why it matters, and how even someone with zero accounting background, just like me, can use it to build a profitable business. So I am Dennis Hilario and I started my business in 2001 without a clue about accounting. And here in this channel, I share practical strategies for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and business owners so you don't make the same painful mistakes I did. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more down-to-earth business lessons. So let me take you back to 2001. No QuickBooks, no templates, no YouTube. My brother and I just started our first business, and we were blessed our uncle sent us financial support via Western Union. So every time I received that wire transfer, I would go to the bank, deposit it, then write checks for payroll, rent, or whatever we needed to get going. In my bookkeeping system, a plain notebook. I didn't know what chart of accounts was. I didn't know what a ledger meant. I just wrote down the money that came in and hoped we wouldn't run out. But over time, I realized accounting is just the art of recording. That's it. Yes, it gets more tedious as your business grows, but once you learn to organize your records properly, everything changes. You gain clarity, you spot leaks, you build systems. So what is a chart of accounts? It's your business's money map, a complete list of all the categories where money flows in and out. Imagine you're managing your personal budget. You've got envelopes or budget jars labeled as salary, groceries, rent, savings, or loans. So you write down what goes in and what goes out. You know exactly how much you have left. That's what a chart of accounts does. But for a business, it separates everything into assets, which is what you own. Liabilities is what you owe. Equity is what's truly yours. Revenue is the money coming in, and expenses, money going out. So each account has its own name and number. And once they are set, they become the foundation for all your financial reports. And if you're serious about learning how to do this right from the start, I created a course just for you. Accounting Starter Digital Course for non-accountants who want to finally understand how to track income, expenses, and everything in between. So you'll find the link in the description. No jargon, just clarity. So how do you start? Number one is start with the basics. Create these 5 main categories: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Next is list subcategories under each. Say under asset, it's cash in bank, cash on hand, inventory, accounts receivables. Under liabilities is accounts payable, loans payable. Under income is sales or revenue. Under expenses are rent, salaries, utilities, and marketing. Next is use consistent account numbers. Start with 1,000 for assets, 2,000 for liabilities, and so on. It helps in sorting and keeping everything clean. Next, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate. Start lean. You can always add more accounts later. Number 5 is sync it with your books of accounts. Use your chart of accounts to record transactions in. So these are the sales book, purchase book, cash disbursement book, cash receipts book, journal entries, and general ledger. But this is another topic altogether, and I explain its details in my Accounting Starter Digital course I mentioned earlier, or click the link below to learn more. Or probably just wait for my future episodes. So this is where you update balances. So at any moment, you can generate a financial statement and see your business health. Next is review it regularly. As your business evolves, your chart of accounts should evolve too. What you don't track, you can't manage. From there, you can prepare your financial statements. So when I finally took accounting seriously, it was like turning on the lights in a messy room. Everything made more sense. I stopped guessing. I started understanding where money was going, and that knowledge gave me better decisions and better sleep. The chart of accounts may sound boring, but it's the backbone of good business. Behind every successful entrepreneur is someone who knows their numbers. So here's what I want you to do. Start your chart of accounts today, even if it's on paper. Or download the chart of accounts sample in the link below. Or again, check out my Accounting Starter Digital course to go deeper. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want more videos on accounting made simple. Remember, business doesn't have to be confusing. You just need the right system. And it starts with knowing where every peso goes. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.